In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Grammarly account from the Grammarly web editor dashboard in just a few quick steps. This is helpful if you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or simply want to make sure you log out properly for privacy and security. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the Grammarly web editor loads, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where you can access your documents, writing tools, and account options all in one place. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Grammarly places the account and sign out controls down there, so you don't need to search through menus or settings pages. When you find the sign out button, click it once. Grammarly will ask you to confirm your choice, which is a useful extra step to prevent accidental logouts. On the confirmation message, click Yes, sign out, and that's it. You've now successfully signed out of your Grammarly account from the web editor dashboard. If you ever need to log back in, just return to app.grammarly.com and sign in again with your email or connected account. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.